How to set a safe code in Evony. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you're on Evony, the King's Return game, and thinking about setting a safe code to protect your account, then that's a really smart move. So let's go ahead and find out how. First things first, launch open Evony on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the home screen or your city page on Evony, go ahead and click on the three dots at the bottom right corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu that appears on the screen, select Safe Code. Now, click on Set Safe Code button in green and then enter a 6-digit code in order to set it on the screen. Now, after you do that, enter the safe code once again and click on Confirm. Now you have successfully set the safe code in the Evony game. Now your account has an extra layer of protection. Setting a safe code in Evony is a small step that makes a big difference in keeping your progress secure. You can change your safe code whenever you want, close the safe code, or clear your safe code. So there you have it. That is how you enable or set safe code in Evony. Now you can play with peace of mind and focus on growing your empire. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.